The hardest seasons in life aren't always the painful ones. Sometimes they're the quiet ones, the ones where nothing seems to change. The days begin to blur together. You wonder if you've missed your opportunity, if your best years are already behind you, and slowly you begin asking yourself a dangerous question: am I stuck? Welcome to the Hope Workshop, where we rebuild lives through timeless biblical wisdom. Being stuck doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like going to the same job every day, waiting for an opportunity that never seems to come, praying the same prayer month after month, watching everyone else move forward while your own life feels paused. The truth is, many of us don't fear failure. We fear staying exactly where we are. But what if the season you've been calling stuck is actually a season of preparation? To answer that question, let's look at the life of a man who spent decades believing his greatest purpose had slipped away. When Moses was young, he believed he knew exactly what his purpose would be. He was raised in Pharaoh's palace, educated, influential. Surely this was the beginning of something great. But one decision changed everything. Moses fled Egypt and found himself in the wilderness of Midian. Instead of leading a nation, he spent the next 40 years taking care of sheep. 40 years. Imagine how that must have felt. Day after day, doing work that probably seemed ordinary, wondering if the dream he once carried had quietly disappeared. But here's what Moses couldn't see. God hadn't abandoned his purpose. He was shaping his character. The wilderness wasn't a detour. It was a classroom. And after those 40 years, God called Moses through a burning bush to lead the very people he thought he had failed. It's easy to believe that God is working only when life is moving quickly, but Scripture often tells a different story. Many of God's greatest servants experience long seasons of waiting before stepping into the purpose He had for them. Growth isn't always visible. Just because you can't see progress doesn't mean progress isn't happening. Sometimes God is doing His deepest work in places the world never notices. And maybe that's exactly where you are today. If you feel like life has stopped moving, here are 3 things you can begin doing today. First, be faithful where you are. Moses didn't become a great leader overnight. He learned faithfulness while caring for sheep. Don't underestimate the value of doing today's responsibilities well. Character is often built in ordinary moments. Second, keep preparing, even if no one is watching. Use this season to learn, grow, develop new skills. Spend time with God. The preparation you do today may become the foundation for tomorrow's opportunities. Third, stop measuring progress only by visible results. Not every season produces immediate success. Some seasons produce deeper faith, greater wisdom, stronger character. Those are victories too. From now on, instead of asking, "Why am I still here?" try asking, "What might God be teaching me in this season?" Write down one lesson you're learning right now. You may discover that your season of waiting has more purpose than you realized. Keep in mind, feeling stuck doesn't always mean you're standing still. Sometimes God is preparing you beneath the surface. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever gone through a season where you felt stuck, only to realize later that it was preparing you for something greater? Or maybe you're still in that season today. If so, which of today's action steps do you think will help you the most? And if you've discovered something that helped you keep moving forward, share it in the comments below. Your story might become someone else's hope. Thank you for spending a few moments with us here at the Hope Workshop. If today's message encouraged you, consider subscribing for more life-changing lessons inspired by timeless biblical wisdom. Until next time, keep building, keep believing, and keep moving forward.